Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. We've got an extremely rare long wheelbase Caravelle to show you around today. It's the latest shape T6.1 model with a 150 bhp engine and 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Now, we originally supplied this one as a delivery mileage vehicle. It's an Indium Grey, got a lovely spec. Show you around the vehicle and tell you a bit about it. So it's got our MASV styling kit with a gloss black pack, as you can see. Condition's really good on this one. Just take you around the front of it. Now, as it's a used vehicle, done 26,000 miles, there'll be the odd stone chip, etc. on it, as you've got to expect with a used vehicle, but nothing that's standing out there. Lovely and straight down the sides. It's got the 20-inch gloss black velour alloy wheels, and it's been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Now, we've just put 4 brand new Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres on it, as it was getting close on those. They were advised on the MOT. It's also fully set up for paddleboards, etc. on the roof, with some roof rails and 4 crossbars. They're all adjustable, so you can have it set up how you want. Moving inside, this one has the Factory Nappa leather option. It's quite an expensive option, this. Also got heated seats and 3-zone climate, which were options on the long wheelbase SE. Google Maps nav can be used through Apple Carplay or Android Auto. It does have adaptive cruise control and power folding mirrors as well. Front and rear park sensors too. So really good spec on this one. And in the back you've got the Caravelle set up with the triple rear seat and the 2 swivelling captain seats just behind the driver. Table in the middle too, and it all works off a rail system, so you can move stuff about to where you want it to be. It's got the soft closing doors, power latching as Volkswagen call it. High level rear spoiler. There, and it has got carbon fibre effect, rear bumper protector, just to save any nasty marks when you're putting stuff in the boot. Now, we've moved the seats back as far as they go, so that's your absolute minimum amount of boot space. They can, of course, move way further forward, and with this being a long wheelbase, it does have an extra 40 centimetres of space over the short wheelbase, which, given the height of the vehicle inside as well, can make a real difference if you're carrying a lot of stuff. It's got one of our MASV tailored mats in the front, and the mileage today is 26,555 miles. It's had 2 services. Now, the schedule is every 2 years of 20,000 miles on these. So if anything, it's been slightly over serviced. Last done at 18,000. So just had an MOT where we changed all 4 of the tyres. Now, there's no VAT to pay in addition to the sale price on this one. And we've got 20+ photos and a full written description on our website at justnicevans.co.uk. Part exchanges are welcome, and we do offer finance facilities for business or private customers. So if you're interested in the vehicle, then please do get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching.